How to change Poshmark username. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll simply guide you on how you can change your Poshmark username. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to change your username on Poshmark, all you have to do is open up your browser and then go to Poshmark.com. Now remember, I'm talking about using your browser, not the app. Go to Poshmark.com and then sign into the account. Now normally what the issue here is that if I tap the profile icon from the top right, and then if I go to edit profile, I can have the option to change my name, my info and everything else, but there is no option to change the username. Well, it's not that we can't change our username. We can definitely change, but it's a little bit tricky because username and this name are in different sections. So for this, let me just come back to the Poshmark page again, which is my home page. Again, I repeat the steps. Tap the profile icon from the top right, and then you want to go to account settings, as you can see here. And then once you go to account settings, instead of going to edit profile, you want to go to the option called account info, and that's how you do it. Go to the option called account info, and then right over here you can see your username, and that's it. All you have to do is just tap this little change button over here. Once you tap the change button, it will send a verification code to this email, and after you've done that, your Poshmark username will be successfully changed. This is how you can change your Poshmark username. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.